Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Once again, we're starting on this buckle. I'm just measuring. I'm going by, see the outline, 5 and 1. So I'm going right down the middle of that between the twist wire. So that's how I know my middle is. And then we'll go from here. I made a line, so I measured that side too. That one I did the same. I used the inside with the measurements of this, and I went by the bezel, so that's how I knew that was in the middle. And now we'll just follow this line where the line is, go straight. Then after that, we'll go straight. Kind of off. Turn it a little. Now that's the side. Now that's how I marked it, middle and all that, and that's where we'll be figuring out everything, and then we could just draw our designs. Draw our designs how we want it. So we'll put one straight, and then we'll do like that. There, and then do this side too. So mark it right there. How I know, I just go by grooves and how far to go. You just eyeball it. There you go. And then we'll do this side the same design. Do right there, and do 4. And this we're gonna hit stamp, and then right here we could probably cut some out. No, we'll leave that one. We'll just do a stamp right here. We'll put some stamps right there. I have some stamps. And let's go check this out. Watch. How should we do this? Okay. Set you up over here. Bring this closer. Raise that up. Here's my. Oh, got it onto me, huh? Okay, let's go do this. Yeah, like that, and then we'll hit it. Just follow your line. And then go by your how hard to hit it. You can feel it, and then you just go by the same hardness as you hit it. Do this. That's it. See? See it. Okay, and then we'll use some stamps for this, like a design. And I have some stamps, so let me get them. Okay, I have some stamps right here. Designs. I'm trying to figure out who should we go with. I think this one is nice, but this one has a little design in it. It's pretty dope. But let's go see. Dude, this one looks like it would be nice. We do it around it this way. But this one has a brown too, and I think this one would be a little too much. We do it with this one. Do it with this one. And then from there we gotta mark off our. We gotta mark how much we gotta stamp. So that one we gotta use a ruler again. So that one we use a ruler again. So we can go every quarter. Every quarter. That way. See? Every quarter. You know how many you put in there. Then you can decide how many you want in there. Let me get all this done and we'll be back to stamp. Okay, we're gonna stamp it. Let's go see. We'll do it right. I was thinking about right there. And right there. But probably do one right there. Let's go see. Okay, got it. Got it. Yes. It's time to eat. Okay. Okay, got it. So this is we're going by hard. Can't go too close. And in the middle. Both sides. Other side as well. And almost done. That's it. And now we comb it out. There you go. That, and then we just dump it. Hit the half round when you dome it. Don't hit the silver. It's gonna put a dent in it. So then you just dump it all the way. The buckle. Yeah, you can dump it and fix it a little bit more, but yeah. There you go. There's your buckle. And then after that, you just add on your pieces, like how you're gonna design it. Just picture it how you want it. We can make some balls and put them in there too. Design balls. It'd be really nice. And stuff like that, but you don't have to. Like I said, you could just push this one down. See how far you want it. It can be like that. And then you could set it down right there. All of them. Oh. So it can go this way. This way. I'm just throwing an idea. This is not how it's gonna be. It's just a little hint on how I want it to be. So still got to put designs around it. And we can put these in there. That. See? Then we can still make designs, like throw balls here and there. Design balls. That's what I'm gonna do. Here, there. And we can throw some design wire. That's it. And thank you for watching. well, we'll see what we can come up with. So designing, and yeah. Right on. I'm making these twirly designs just to put here and there, you know. Usually I use the design wire, and I'll just use something like that, and I'll just put this on here, and then get it as close as I can, and then bend it. Once I bend it, wait, let me try to bend it, and I'll show you guys. Okay, see, I'll put it on, bend it, and then I'll take it off. I have it like that. Then I'll just grab it and start wrapping it around. Wrap it around. Then I'll cut it. I made them all the same way, so yeah, just cut it. Then you can flip these so like that. That way it fits wherever you want to put it. Still trying to figure out how I'm gonna put these. You can do it like that. Doing that one again. Push it down a bit. I found it. That. And then probably put these right here.